The respondents, Bank BUMIPUTRA Malaysia, had brought an action against Lorraine Osman, who was the director of the first respondent and the chairman of the second respondent, for the total sum of $27,625,853.06, which they claimed to be secret profits made by Lorraine, without their knowledge and approval. The respondents also made an ex parte application for a Mariva injunction to restrain Lorraine from transferring his assets out of jurisdiction, and also for an order of discovery for Lorraine to disclose the value, nature, and whereabouts of all his assets. The court held that the court could generally lift the corporate veil in order to do justice, particularly where an element of fraud is involved. There was admittedly an element of fraud in the receipt of the secret profits alleged in this case, and this was sufficient for the court to lift the corporate veil for the purpose of determining whether the assets of the company were really owned by them, and in this case, the corporate veil having been properly lifted and Lorraine having been exposed as the alter ego of ASPATRA, it became necessary to identify all assets within jurisdiction owned by Lorraine. The Anton Pillar order, granted by the learned judge, in aid of the Mariva injunction, was necessary as it was an aid to justice as far as the respondents were concerned.